Hello, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a perfect circle and how to change color. I'm using 3.5mm crochet hook and 100% acrylic yarn. Start by making a magic ring or a magic circle. Chain of 2, then 11 double crochet inside the ring. Now pull up this loop. This is the first double crochet and we will insert right there. This is a chain of 2. Insert your hook at the back of this first double crochet. Then take this loop inside. Turn. Now we will do a single crochet in this first stitch. Chain 1, yarn over, including the tail, this tail here, and double crochet on that same stitch. Two double crochet in the next stitch. And repeat a 2 double crochet in each stitch for 24 stitches around. Then now you will have 24 stitches including this chain of 2. Pull up this loop. Then again insert the hook in the first double crochet. This is the chain of 2 and this is the first double crochet. Insert right at the back of the stitch. Then take this loop inside. Turn. Single crochet on this first stitch and chain of 1. Two double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, then 2 double crochet in the next, repeat a double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet and 2 double crochet in the next. Repeat around for 36 stitches. Now we have 36 stitches around, including the chain of 2. Then cut the yarn to change color. Insert the darning needle in the first double crochet. Remember, this is single crochet and chain of 1. Then insert in this first double crochet at the back of the stitch. Then insert at the back loop on this last stitch. Now insert your hook in any stitch you like. Round 4, chain of 1, 2. Two double crochet in the next stitch. Then double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet and double crochet in the next stitch. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat until we reach to this last stitch. The last stitch, do a double crochet, 1 double crochet. So now we have 48 stitches around. So make sure you count the number of stitches if you are a beginner, including the chain of 2. Then after that, cut the yarn. Take your darning needle and insert the darning needle at the back of the first double crochet. This is a chain of 2 and double crochet. And then insert in the back loop on the last stitch. Then hide inside here. And now we will do the same thing. Insert in any stitches you want. Take this green yarn and make a chain of 2. Double crochet in the next stitch. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then 2 double crochet in the next. Then in the last stitch, make 1 double crochet.